I just washed my hands because I'm about to do an unboxing that I'm very excited to do. I didn't even have time to change out of my work clothes, so sorry about the scrubs. First of all, I've been an iPhone user. Ever since I started dating my husband, I made a little bit of changes towards the Android. I've been using the Z Flip 4 for a long time. I have the pink one, I love it. It's been working great. And the other day my mom texted me and she was like, oh, the Z Flip 5's coming out, and if you have a Z Flip 4, you only need to pay another $100 to get the brand new one. Well, I looked it up and it turns out that I had like credit in my Samsung account from before, so I only paid $40 extra to get the brand new Z Flip 5, and I'm stoked about this right now, as you can hear the excitement in my voice. So here it is, the Z Flip 5 in my hands. It has just arrived. We just got back from our Chicago trip and I was super nervous about it getting here before I got back, but luckily we got here at the same time. I have the Z Flip 5 in my hands and I'm going to unbox it and show you what it looks like. Okay, here we go, friends. The unboxing begins. Here. Make sure my hands are clean. What? Okay, Samsung packs it with all the accessories. The charger is in here. What else is in here? The quick guide, terms and conditions, the little thing that opens where the SIM card goes. Okay, without much further ado, let us look at the new Z Flip 5. I don't want to rip it, but I think I have to. Oh my gosh. Yep, the screen is now a lot larger. This is super exciting. Okay. So it's white. I got it in the white color. Oh yeah, that definitely folds real nice. Clean, sleek, love the design. Absolutely love it. I have been known to drop phones. I'm not proud of it, but I've definitely dropped the Z Flip a couple times, and it had an issue with the hinge for sure. So I dropped it like this one time and like the phone just wouldn't open. So I had to take it to uBreak-iFix a couple times to get it fixed up, and so I'm gonna put a case on it before I do anything else. I ordered a case on Amazon. Let me go ahead and put the case on the phone first. It's just a plain white case, but I like this because I can use this to, I usually carry it by this, or I can use it as a stand. So here we go, and I like this because this case, it has the little areas of sticker, so you peel it and it sticks right onto your phone, and I'll probably do that later once I clean everything, but just to get the case on. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's cute. I think I'm happy with this. If you are wondering, I am filming this review video right now with my Galaxy Z Flip 4, and I'm always told to never use the front camera and to use the back camera because the back camera has better quality, and I respect that, but today I'm filming it with the front camera, and I wanted to do this review. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I hope it works. Do I have to charge it? It's gonna turn on. It's turning on. It's loading. So part of the reason why I love using the Galaxy Z Flip is that it has this small screen at the front. I love using that during clinic because I'm able to just glance real quick at text messages. I literally keep it right here in my scrub pocket, and I'll just pull it and take a quick look at the screen without opening up the physical phone. I'll just kind of double check, see who texted me, or if I missed a call, and I'll slip it right back. And I really enjoy having like that small size screen to be able to see the quick notifications. But Galaxy Z Flip 5, they made that screen even larger. So that's what I'm excited about, and that's why I decided to do the upgrade. Thankfully, it was only a $40 something extra for me to do the upgrade. So I think what happens is if you have any kind of credit from previously returning something or any credit that Samsung might have given you into your account, you can use that and apply that again towards purchasing the new device. So I'm really excited about this. I'm going to continue to use it as an optometrist while I'm in patient care during the day, but also afterwards to create more content, to film, to take more pictures, and I'm excited to utilize the front part of the screen without having to open the phone a lot, because I know it does damage to the hinge. My husband, his whole theory is that they made the screen bigger so that you don't have to physically open the phone as often as you do with the current one. So hopefully I'll be able to really maximize the use of the big screen as I use my new Z Flip 5. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and start using the Z Flip 5. Yay!